Welcome to a new video. This tutorial will show you how to replace the buzzer of Porsche Cayenne and Volkswagen Touareg instrument clusters using the replacement code SEI Speaker 04. For this repair you will need the following tools. Position the dashboard as shown and undo the rear screws with the Torx screwdriver. With the head of the spudger, act on the clips and remove the plastic covers, unplugging the speaker connector as shown. Undo and release the speaker from its housing in the rear cover. Fit the new buzzer, securing the cable and the connector as shown. Put back the rear cover first, plugging back the speaker connector, then the front cover. Tighten the rear screws. Switch on the dashboard. Perfetto! Problem solved! Thank you for choosing Mini Tools.